Power Appers, what's up? Todd Baginski here with my tip on what I wish I knew how to do when I first started writing Power Apps. It's easier to show you than tell you, so let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button to my first screen. This button is going to invoke some code. I'm also going to add a button to another screen inside of my Power App. It'll also invoke the same code. Then I'd like to add a third screen where I'm actually going to run the code those buttons invoke. Here I'm going to add a toggle control. I'm going to now set the default property of the toggle control equal to a global variable. And I'm going to call it run my toggle control. The next thing I will do is I will go to app on start and I will set that value to false. Then inside of my buttons, I will set that value to true. Because I've set that value for the default property of my toggle control, anytime that value of that variable changes, my code will fire. What code will fire? The code back here inside of the onCheck method in my toggle control. So here, for example's sake, I am going to set another global variable, and I'm going to call it GBL result. And I'm going to say this ran in page 3. Now, if I take the GBL result and I go back to screen 1 and I add a label and I set it equal to that value, you can see nothing is there. The same if I do the same exact thing back here in screen 2. However, if I now play my Power App and run it, look, the text ran in page 3. But now if I go back to page 1, we can also see that value is also available because it picked it up. So no matter where I run this code inside of my Power App and where I invoke it from, I have one set of code in one location and I can use it from anywhere. I hope that tip helps you out. Happy Power Apping.